If you have a Samsung Galaxy S23, we have an app that you absolutely need to download from the Samsung Galaxy Store and start using as soon as possible. Galaxy S23 users who have installed the Big June update are getting an update for the Camera Assistant app as well. It brings a couple of notable changes or new features. Samsung is letting users turn off adaptive pixel and also improving the shutter speed priority function. This update bumps the version number of the Camera Assistant app to 1.1.02.2. According to Samsung, Galaxy S23 users can now go to Camera Assistant to select adaptive pixel to turn the feature on or off. If you are unaware, adaptive pixel is a camera technology that helps retain more details in high pixel photos, 200 megapixels on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and 50 megapixels on the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus without making the files too big in file size. The process involves capturing two photos, one in high resolution and one in low resolution, and merging them together. All of this happens in the background within a fraction of a second. Galaxy phones that support adaptive pixel automatically adjust everything to give users the best results, with factors like environmental brightness playing a part. But Galaxy S23 users can turn off this feature following the latest update for their phones in the Camera Assistant app. If you're using a Galaxy S23 series device and have installed the Big June update, you can go to the Galaxy Store and check for an update for the Camera Assistant app to get these features. You can also click the link in our description box below to land directly on the app's listing page in Galaxy App Store. You will be able to download the update from there. Note that the latest version of the app is 1.1.02. The Galaxy S23 series is getting a host of other camera improvements with the latest June 2023 security patch software update. You now have a 2x zoom option for portrait shots, while the 3x zoom option has been improved as well. You can also delete multiple motion photos at once in the Samsung Gallery app. Improved distortion correction, color accuracy, and color shift adjustments are other notable changes. If you haven't received this update yet, you should soon. Go to settings and scroll all the way down and select software update to check for updates manually. Thank you for viewing our The Sim Studios YouTube channel, your home for everything mobile technology and the official, unofficial home of the Samsung Galaxy devices. To all my fellas, to all my ladies, we out.